Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming with another product. This is from RHA-audio.com. This is their MA750 wireless Bluetooth in-ear headphones. It's got a beautiful premium metal construction, really nice design. I kind of like the thing that goes around the neck. I didn't think I'd like it at first because they kind of loop around your neck and then it goes up and around and loops behind your ears or over your ears. But yeah, they work really well and they feel very comfortable. And what's nice is they magnetize to each other when they're hanging from your neckline. So it kind of keeps them together and they're not flopping all over the place. So I like that feature about them. It gives you 12 hours of playback and 30 days of standby. That's pretty huge when it comes to wireless Bluetooth headphones like this. It's got a digital sync control via remote and mic. It's got high fidelity Aptx and AAC streaming for compatible devices, and noise isolating aerophonic design in steel. I'm not really sure what that means, but noise isolating, and basically gives you some less noise when you're on it. And it's got sweat and splash proof coverage to IPX4. So very interesting that way. It's fairly inexpensive when it comes to a great set of headphones like this. The 12-hour playback thing is nice. The Bluetooth at Aptx is nice. It will show, of course, your battery on the screen so you can know how you're doing. It even has an NFC chip built in so you can pair the device really quickly. And a remote and microphone that you can track call control, full compatibility and control for all digital assistants. And, you know, you can skip through your songs, go through your calls, all that sort of good stuff, and rock and roll. It's got 303F stainless steel construction, which they claim is improved sonic performance and durability, precision dynamic driver to produce balanced, accurate audio, and just great design from RHA. So I got a chance to test these babies out, play with them, and yeah, I like the features of it where it rests around your neck and then it curls up and goes into your ear. Didn't think I liked that because it's a lot of action going on around your neck, but it's very comfortable and it stays out of your way, and I was very impressed with that feature as well. Might make some great sport headphones. The sound quality on them is fairly good for this price range. There's a lot of high-end, some tinniness, and there's some pretty good mid-range. I was kind of surprised, some good mid-range and no bass whatsoever. But you can't get bass in these wireless headphones. I just have trouble finding any wireless headphones that have any sort of solid bass from them, partially because there's not a lot of room for them to put a lot of great speakers into these small units, and so that's just really what it comes down to. It's a size thing and compartmentalization thing, and you really can't blame a manufacturer for these. It's pretty much a general issue. But the sound is crystal clear, very sharp, almost too sharp. Like I said, I get a little bit of tinniness off of it, but the mid-range was really nice, and I could hear the dynamics of the sounds that I wanted to take and hear, the different levels, the variations of the different instruments that are being played, and I fairly liked it. I had to make sure that I turned down the volume a little bit because the tinniness would get a little out of control and drive me crazy. But if you keep it at a moderate level, the sound is very good. So I'd recommend them. You can go to their website at rha-audio.com. You can check their MA750 wireless Bluetooth in-ear headphones. Thanks for tuning in.
Oh, hi. Hi, you watched that video all the way through? Good for you. You're a big boy now. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. You can click on any of the videos that surround me, and if there aren't any, you might want to check if you've been drinking. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us. See you next time. I think they've been drinking.